Nagtuon ko og gamay nga binisaya. Kadtong nakauban ko si Mayor Duterte sa Davao og 2013. Ipinagbilin ako ng aking ina na mag-OJT kay Mayor Duterte. Nung nagkita kami, niyaya naman ako ni Mayor Duterte na sumakay sa kanyang taxi. Magpatrol daw kami ng Davao at manghuli ng kriminal. Sa buong Pilipinas, wala akong nakilalang leader na may tapang at malasakit katulad ni Mayor Duterte. Kaya naitanong ko, Mayor, you've done so much for Davao. Why haven't you run for national office? Kanyang sagot, the country is not ready. Many events have since transpired, and the rest, as they say, is history. Today, we are so grateful that President Duterte answered the call to run in the 2016 elections to bring change to the Philippines. To show po our love and admiration for our idol, President Duterte, nagkusa po yung mga empleyado ng Solar Factory na gumawa ng special Digong Edition solar panel.